What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about companion vouchers and how to use them on British Airways, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, basically what are the companion vouchers and how to use them, so we are gonna go through them. So basically there are loads and loads of questions on how to access them and whatever, but basically you can basically have them with British Airways, American Express and Premium Plus card. So basically, as you can see, most of them are ticked for the options, so basically I'm gonna leave that to you to check. So how to actually use them. So first of all, which voucher do you have? So the type of companion voucher you have in your British Airways Executive Club account depends on when you earned it and the British Airways American Express card product you earned it on. So the companion vouchers earned before 1st of September 2021 are displayed as BA American Express companion voucher in your account. These companion vouchers are subjected to different terms, so make sure to check them all out. So how to actually use them? So first step is of course log into your British Airways Executive Club account, select book at the top of the page and choose book a flight with Avios, or go to the My e-voucher section of your Executive Club homepage. Select the companion voucher you'd like to book with and search for reward flights. So basically how to access them, how to access the solo travel benefit. If you wish to redeem your companion voucher on a reward flight where you are the only passenger traveling, simply select one adult and the companion voucher you wish to redeem when you search reward flights. So can you combine them? Well, basically only companion vouchers of the same type can be combined and redeemed on the reward flight booking. So guys, basically those are the entireties of the process regarding the companion vouchers and how to actually use them. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.